Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in a collaboration. This collaboration is entitled The Christmas Vignette. Now it's hosted by Denise at This and That with Denise Jordan. Now she does it every season and I'm really liking it. It's giving me new ideas to do in my kitchen to perk it up. Now I'm going to decorate this tray. It's part of one of her requirements is to have a tray and to have Christmas items on the tray. So guys, oh, and also she requires to have a sign. So guys, if you'd like to see what I came up with, stick around. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my snowman cookie jar. Then I've always add some kind of greenery. Here's a Christmas tree in a little teal container. Now the orange, the olive and the vinegar thing always stay on this tray, period. And then I put back old trusty, the copper salt and pepper shakers. And then my sign. So guys, here is my Christmas vignette. I'm going to bring you up closer so you can see how it is. Okay guys, here's my Christmas vignette. My blue snowman, everything on it. I think this tray looks very pretty for the holiday season. I want to thank Denise for doing this challenge every season. I'm really enjoying it. Down below, guys, will be a link to the Down below, guys, will be a link to the playlist for this challenge. Also, a link to Denise's channel. So, guys, if you enjoyed my content, please, you know what to do, guys. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. Not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell. Once you click that bell, a notification screen will appear. It will ask you to send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and then click save. And then guys, you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also guys, if you could follow me on my social media accounts, they should be listed down below on the screen as well as in the description. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching and you guys be blessed.